YouTube channel. My name is Mena Josie. If this is your first time being here, please do subscribe and become part of this family. And don't forget to like, smash the like button, share, and leave your comments down in the comment section. To my old subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for your support. It's been awesome having you all here on my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to teach you how to clean your espresso machine and how to clean your portafilter. Okay, so let's get into the video. So we have the cafeto. This is a chemical for washing of the machine and your portafilter. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use your cafeto. So before you close for the day as a barista, you have to take your portafilter, remove this basket. This is the basket for extraction of espresso. We are going to take this off and put this in. As you can see, this is sealed. This has no holes in it. So if you've seen this, this is for backflash. We call it backflash. With the machine and the cafeto, it is called backflash. So we are using this to do our backflash. So you insert it here, okay? And then you take your cafeto. You will need 2 scoops of this spoon in the cafeto. The spoon comes with the cafeto, okay? So we are going to scoop 2. Close it nicely. This is Victoria Ordino 2 group head. This has automatic way of maintenance, of cleaning. So I will just regulate it. This button here is for cleaning. So I will press it and then regulate it to group 1 like this. You rotate the button, then you select this one. Before then, I have to insert my portafilter like this and then click. So this process is backflash, okay? So we'll do the same thing here and then we'll repeat the same thing here because I have only one of that basket. So we have to wait for this to be done and then we do this. So the machine is done with the first cleaning. Now let me take you to the machine so you understand what I'm saying. The first one was to clean the machine with the cafeto. Now it is time, the machine is saying rinse. So we'll just, it's already there, so we'll just click it. Okay, so the first portafilter is done. I'm going to take it off and then apply the same thing here. So I'll take this basket off and then insert this. So we are repeating the same thing here. We're going to put 2 scoops as we did. And then insert it here and then rotate this button to the group 2 and then we select it. Okay, so now we are going to rinse. The machine is saying after cleaning it is saying rinse, so we are going to do the same thing. It's already on rinse on group 2, so we will not rotate, we just click it. Okay, so the machine is done with the automatic cleaning. We are going to use this brush to clean out the residues of the coffee where the machine couldn't do the job on the outer part of the inner basket. We are going to use this brush to clean off every excess. Okay, so you will take off your portafilter and then regulate it back. Regulate it back to home. Okay, then now you're going to do a manual cleaning. With that, you will need to patch some water while cleaning. You're going to clean this inner corners. See, it's clean, so we will do the same thing here. Okay, we're just going to repeat what we did here. We are done now. So we are done with the cleaning with backflash and then also the manual way of cleaning it. So now I'm going to teach you how you can clean your portafilter. Okay, so let's hop to the sink. Okay, so now I will teach you how to clean your portafilter. Okay, so we are going to use the sponge to first clean this residue and the stain of coffee in the portafilter. So you will use a sponge without a washing detergent. Okay, one is done. I'm going to do the same thing here. Then we'll do the same here to the basket. Mind you that we are cleaning without soap. So now I'm going to teach you the second step of washing your portafilter. This time around we are going to soak everything. I'm going to put everything in the bucket, okay? Like this. We're going to put everything here and then add water. We'll add the water until it gets here because you don't want it to exceed this. Your chemical will affect this protection. So we will only fill the water until this level, okay? Okay, so we can all see that all the portafilter, like all the metal, is fully covered with water. Now, this is where the magic happens. We are going to add our cafe too. This is what is going to do the magic. So we are taking our cafeto again, okay? And we are going to add 3 scoops of cafeto into our soaked portafilter. Okay, so we will leave this solution overnight. For the morning, barista will wash this, okay, without soap, and then he will do calibrations before he can start serving his first cup of coffee in the morning. So we are done with this. I'll just put it aside. So now I'm taking you back to the machine, okay? Yes. We are going to take off this. This is the rack for the steam water. So this, always go for this, for the cleaning of the steam water, okay? Then this is for the surface of this machine, but I'm going to clean, so there is no need of this right now. So I usually take this to the sink to wash this and then do this washing here. This can also be removed, but there is no need for that. So I'll start. I've added a little bit of washing detergent, okay, because of the milk, so that it doesn't smell. as a barista, you need to ensure that your surfaces are clean. So we are going in with a sponge and soap to clean this area, okay, to avoid smell and insects, okay. Do this to avoid the smell, okay, and insects. Just want to make sure that all the equipment used for the day is left clean for the next barista in the next shift. This is our grinder tray. I'll take it off on this so that we can leave it attached in case there was any spill during operation. So to take it off. So that you don't cause any damage. Okay? You have to be gentle with it. using the chemical for cleaning the steel, okay? But you don't want to leave it like that, it will dry and cause stains. So you want to go in with a clean tissue, like that, okay? Then we do that with the rest of the machine. Ensuring that our machine is clean, okay? Because we need to work in a clean environment. Espresso blender machine. I'll be taking you back to the sink, okay? This is the damper. You have to make sure that your damper is clean. So I'll take this to the sink. Follow me, let me teach you what to do at the sink. Here are the things we used for the day. Okay, for the machine. With this ones we'll use soap, okay, to avoid smell. Okay guys, so basically that's what you need to do as a barista before the close of the day. Okay, you have to wash your portafilter, clean the machine and everything, okay, and then do the back flush. But back flush is not necessarily every day. You can do your back flush at least twice in a week to avoid bad coffee, okay? And also you can do it, okay, depends, you can do it every time if you have enough coffee, because after every back flush, because of the chemicals, you need more of calibrations to get off that chemical, okay? So that is why I prefer doing it twice or thrice in a week, okay? So as a barista, you need to keep your bar clean, okay? Because a neat bar attracts more customers, okay? It attracts the customer. The customer knows that he or she is dealing with a good, like somebody who's capable of keeping a bar or working in a bar. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I hope you're going to learn something from it. And also, don't just watch it, apply it to your daily routine as a barista, and trust me, you're gonna like it. So please, if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, share, comments, subscribe, hit the subscribe button below for your girl Maintenance.Clean, so I can keep updating you with the knowledge and skills as a barista, as a professional barista. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time and thank you for your support. Until we meet next time, bye bye.